Welcome back to another video, guys. Truck's halfway in the garage. Wanted to give an update on the lift kit on the tires. We are at about 1,000 miles. We've already checked everything once. We're going to double check everything again. Make sure nothing's come loose. I will show you all the pieces and parts, the trimming, and let you know if there's any more rubbing. Alrighty, we'll start on the passenger side here. The wires that I showed you in a previous video, these are the, I believe, the ABS wires. And it's one of the first things in the kit you unplug. I do have them just laying here. I could move these, slide them up. They're supposed to go in this bracket, I believe. I do like it loose. It's not hitting anything, it's not rubbing anything. I'm scared if I put it in this bracket at full turn it'll pull because it's on the bottom there. Other than that, everything is good. We have bolts, everything is tight. All the drop brackets, CV, axles, our spaghetti sway bar, everything on the tire, everything's doing really good. No issues, no complaints, no rubbing. You can see we're pretty close there. The rear, everything is looking good, no marks. I do believe we're rubbing on the driver's side only in reverse. I believe we're rubbing on this metal piece here, which I'm not going to trim. It's in reverse, it's not forwards. It's not hitting the lower valence. I've trimmed this out as you've seen in a previous video, so I'll link that up there. And that's it. Everything in the front is going really well. Everything is still tight, no complaints. Alrighty, rear driver's side of the truck. The brackets are holding up as they should for the e-brake. The blocks, anti-wrap blocks, look good. No issues with those. Shocks are doing very well. I like the ride quality. It really does not feel any different than stock. I'm trying to get you some different angles here. There's a good angle of the blocks. And no pinching, no pulling of any wires. There's our gap from the front little mud flap. Tires are doing really well. I'm very happy with them. They're not loud at all. I was really worried about them being loud. Atturo did a great job. These are the Atturo's Trailblade XTs, 35 12.5. I'm running 29-30 pounds of pressure in them, and so far they're holding up very well. Very quiet. So there you have it, guys. Quick update on the trucks. No complaints whatsoever. Everything's doing great. It rides. Really not much different than from factory. Not sure if I'd go too much off-roading with this setup. My clearances are pretty thin. If anybody else has had any issues, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I would highly recommend this. Next thing we got on the list is some performance mods. Gas mileage, I'll link up above, is not doing too hot right now, so we're going to get a chip. We're going to get a colder intake. We're going to calibrate this thing for the 35s. And keep on going. So if you'd like to see me do anything to the truck, leave it in the comments also. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Tons more content to come, and we will see you on the next one.